Hello, my gorgeous gastronomes and vampires. Starting tomorrow, Monday, September 14th, will be the beginning of Steel City Mukbang's anniversary raffle ticket giveaway. So, you can win this bottle right here. You can win this coldest water bottle. It's a 32-ounce water bottle, $50 value. You can win this on October 9th. That's a Friday. You must email me at steelcitymukbang@gmail.com or inbox me on Instagram at steelcitymukbang. At that time, I will email you or inbox you back your raffle ticket number. Each Monday, you will need to inbox me or email me to get your new raffle ticket number. You'll have a total of 4 numbers when October 9th arrives and we go live and we draw raffle ticket numbers to win this great bottle here. So don't forget, you can email me at steelcitymukbang.com or you can inbox me at Instagram at steelcitymukbang. Just email me, inbox me. I will need your YouTube name, whatever name you go by on YouTube. I will need that in the inbox or email. And I will send you your raffle ticket number. It's that simple. It's that simple to enter the drawing. So I'm looking forward to a bunch of you guys doing this. Try to win this bottle. You can't beat it. You really can't. $50 value right here. Giving away for Steel City Mukbang anniversary on October 9th. I will see you guys soon.